Hello students, Assalamualaikum. Today you're going to learn how to draw the sky using MS Paint. So you need to go to MS Paint, click on Start, go to Paint, select the star from the shape tool.
How I wonder what you
We can
are.
go for select tool and then copy and paste. So simply using copy paste,
Twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you
at the
are.
same time.
Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay, now drawing the crescent. Take an oval. Take another oval. Now color the background. Either you can take dark blue or black. And fill in the color for the crescent. Fill in the color for the stars.
Shh! I hear the music. Ooh, it's Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star.
So now here you can use your text tool
Twinkle, twinkle,